stage of flap to go. That's with flaps 30. Landing checklist, speed brakes, landing gear, flaps. Landing checklist is complete. Let's approach altitude is set. So I'll clear to land. 500.
Plus 100. Minimum. 50, 40, 30, 20, 10.
Brakes, and braking, 70 knots. Golf 5778, runway vacated. 117. Goodbye, sir. Ground, good afternoon. Alpha Zulu Golf 5778 on Alpha. Alpha Hotel 2 Alpha, Silkway West 5778. Thank you. That was a long day. So, did you enjoy your birthday, Bob?
It's been fantastic so far. Let's go to the hotel and see what Hamad gets me.
He's waiting for you.
Minimum rest. Yes, a minimum rest and another Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Please, you have to fly. I don't have any to fly. Oh, maybe we're flying.
Yeah, stranger things have happened.
Hotel for 3 hours, split duty.
Ah. Yeah. 29 knots. Okay, 30 knots. Starting ABU. Yeah. Oh, what is it? Oh, I've not seen one of those before. Clear right. Marshal in sight. Wow, that is a peculiar looking aircraft. APU running. Lights off, wing pressure's good.
Okay, 1%.
There's a car. Cold as ice. Thanks for a very nice day.
Thanks to you.
No.
Fact, you are flying with me. All guys are refusing.
That normally happens to me.
And vertical speed, we were in alt because we didn't lower the altitude.
Yeah, it just captured that. So
It captured.
it captured 1,500 feet because we're in approach.
Yeah.
So then it wouldn't capture the glide slope because we're above the glide slope. So
Yeah.
all you have to do is just wind.
Yeah. Okay, then that's why it's better to be a little bit lower than.
Or just follow the glide path on the.
Okay, it's not a good idea to disconnect the autopilot. So flight level change could help you to.
All the time while you're trying to use flight level change and this, you're just going higher and higher. So it's just better.
Okay, so let's say that we are slightly, yeah, in our case, but the weather is not good. Something like low visibility. You disconnect the autopilot, auto throttle, and again you should be to make this one again.
No. No, you don't need to disconnect because you haven't captured the glide slope.
Okay, if you capture the glide slope.
If you captured the glide slope, then yeah. But you would only disconnect the auto flight system if you're going to sidestep to another runway then.
Yeah, okay, I see, I understand. Yeah.
Is the ground band on the radio at all? Here it comes.
Ground from cockpit.
Is there any?
Salam alaikum. Oh, choke, how many chokes I want? Can I release parking brake? Ground. Confirm to release parking brake. Park brake released. We continue shutdown.
Shutdown checklist. Hydraulic panel is set. Fuel pumps are off. IRSs are going off. Flaps are up. Parking brake.
Released.
Fuel control switches. Weather radar off.
Off my side.
Shutdown checklist is complete. Here end of the lesson. Time to go to the pub.